In this video, I will show you how to create amazing artwork with a free AI art generator with no limitations. Step 1. Join the Discord. Go to bluewillow.ai and click Join Beta. Everything you need happens within the Discord. Test your prompts, generate your images, meet others, and get support all in one place. Before joining the Bluewillow Discord server, you must have a Discord login. Step 2. Go to a rookie channel. You can generate images with the Bluewillow Bot and perform other helpful tasks. Here is a simple command structure /imagine prompt plus your description. Step 4. Run your first command. Here is a basic example /imagine prompt beautiful anime girl realistic. The Bluewillow Bot takes about a minute to generate 4 options. Step 5. Reroll if needed. Click Reroll button to rerun a job. In this case, it would rerun the original prompt, producing a new grid of images. Step 6. Make variations. Click V button to create a variation of the upscaled image and generates a new grid of 4 options. Choose the best variation for you. Step 7. Upscale image. Click U buttons or Upscale buttons to upscale an image, generating a larger version of the selected image and adding more details. Step 8. Save your image. Click on the image to open it to full size, and then right-click and choose Save Image. Please subscribe this channel for more AI tools tutorial. Thank you.